All right, I'm about to introduce these three beautiful Rosellas into the aviary. I just picked them up today. I haven't been able to put any other birds out here because the weather has not warmed up as I thought it would. It's kind of hung around in the 60s and 50s during the day, and it's had several days dip into the mid to low 30s, so too cold to introduce birds to the aviary. But ones that are already acclimated to the temperatures should do just fine, and these ones have been in an outdoor aviary, so they should be just fine here. We've got one pair, a male and a female. The male is the one with the more red around the back of the neck. That'll be this one here. And an additional female. She had a mate, but it ended up escaping. The former owners have told me. They said there's a chance the male might pair up with both. Otherwise, I'll be on the lookout for an additional Rosella to join them. Oh, they are so beautiful. Can't wait to release them. Okay, here we go. Come on, little guy. You can come out. You can come out. It's okay. It's all right. Come on. Come on. You gonna come out? Maybe I'll scoot back a little bit and see if they will. You want to come out? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. There's one. Oh, so beautiful. Come on, come on, you can come out. I'll just take apart this little cage. Too stressful to come out of that little door. All right, here we go. Go ahead. Go ahead, you're free. Go ahead, go ahead. Go ahead, there you are. Beautiful. Right up there. Right up there. Gorgeous. One more. Come on, come on. There you go. Now I'll undo this cage. There's the third one.